Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Hilton Suites Jabal Omar in Makkah. This hotel is located in the heart of Jabal Omar, just a short walk from Masjid al-Haram, making it a very convenient choice for Umrah and Hajj pilgrims. The hotel is part of the Jabal Omar complex, with easy access to shopping centers, restaurants, and prayer areas. The lobby is spacious, elegant, and welcoming, giving you that luxury Hilton feel right as you step in. Check-in was smooth and staff were very polite and helpful. The hotel offers 24-hour room service, business facilities, and prayer rooms within the hotel itself. Elevators are efficient, which is very important during peak prayer times. Pricing is on the premium side, but the location and services justify it. The suite is very spacious, perfect for families. The bathroom is well maintained, with modern amenities. Comfortable beds, a clean sitting area, and a great view of the city, Haram depending on your room category. For families, the suites provide extra space and privacy. Hilton Suites offers multiple dining options with a wide variety of international and Middle Eastern cuisine. What I loved most was the combination of comfort, convenience, and proximity to the Haram. Overall, Hilton Suites Jabal Omar is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a comfortable and luxurious stay in Makkah. If you're planning your Umrah or Hajj, this hotel definitely gives you both convenience and peace of mind. I hope this review helps you in planning your trip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel vlogs.